The Guestware facilities maintenance process enables gathering information that is flowing through the hotel every day in terms of what needs to be done, what needs attention to be fixed, and it gathers it and organizes it in a way to make it actionable for the hotel. The facilities module is designed so that issues reported are prioritized and resolved in a timely manner.
Guestware itself is a great tool for the engineering and facilities department. It's a great way of tracking issues in rooms and expediting getting those issues to the engineers so they can be resolved in a quick and timely fashion.
The user interface of the Guestware facilities component is designed for hoteliers, which makes it very easy for them to get productive using it right away. It's integrated with the property management system so that they can see which rooms are occupied and not occupied, which rooms they can go and do maintenance on, and which ones they can't. There's also ways that make it very easy for the associates on the hotel team to report what needs maintenance and how quickly it should be done.
I can essentially manage my entire department from my computer. It gives me the opportunity basically to get some of this stuff fixed before it ever even gets to a higher level than myself, before it gets to my boss or the general manager. It's like, I see this trend occurring, let's just correct it before it actually becomes an issue.
Mobile devices are used with the facilities module to enable hotel staff that when they see something, they can instantly input into that device and record it into the system. Mobile devices also enable inspecting housekeeping work that's been done or preventive maintenance work that's been done on the guest rooms so that there is a feedback loop to the team on what might need to be done a little bit differently to really have a quality hotel room and stay experience.
We want the housekeepers to find the issues before the guest even checks in the room. A lot of our guests at this particular hotel are business guests, and we do even have a list of top 50 guests. Some of them spend almost half a year at our hotel. So those are the ones that we really have to make sure that everything is 100% in their rooms all the time, because they have the option of always going someplace else.
Guestware reports provide timely intelligence on what's going on with the building and guests' experience. Many hoteliers will say, ultimately we'll always find out what our problems are, but by using Guestware, we can find out much sooner and prevent more guests from experiencing the issue. The facilities module produces efficiency, productivity, and saves the hotel money every year.